Ajibi Nagaland State Commission for Child Protection Rights NSCPCR in collaboration with Child Protection Unit Chumugudima one-day awareness program on the topic child rights and child protection. Aji 30 September Chumugudima DC office conference room de program do lobole ase idu nishina 19 September be Dimapur district be idu awareness program thakishi aro inika nishina awareness program thaka karone public kan child rights child protection laga opode bishi gyan bai aro inika nishina awareness program de civil societies organization GP chairman noile student union noile civil society organization laga apex body kan ki mati kina inika awareness program de aji laga program de bi ki discussion obole ase idu laga opode amengan detail ba sai sabo aro NSCPCR laga chairman Alun Hansing brabi itia ongoing issues kunba like 2024 September de jundu report Kikon ex pastor ektabra pacha dakan satta atta sexual abuse kurishe idu laga opode takan ki kadam uthaise 19 September de bi hutishe holibi jawab dia na ajibi hudibo aro jundu sainik school punglo tadibi senior students kan ba junior student kan ge sexual abuse aro idu negina wrecking pulling gura laga opode global window ra choa kali khulasa kuri dishe NSCPCR kan bi kimanda concern ase idu sob laga opode detail ba hutaudi kuri sabo
State Commission for Protection of Child Rights, Srimati Akunda Longshari, Srimati Ayi Wangsha, Secretary, Department of Social Welfare, and Secretary, Nagaland State Commission for Protection of Child Rights, Srimati Jamchi Kamda, NCS, Deputy Commissioner Chubukidima, Sri Colin John, NCS, Legal Consultant, Nagaland State Commission for Protection of Child Rights, Srimati Nishani Buri, heads of department from various departments, the tribal co-hosts, students' unions, institutes, NGOs, and members present here today. I, on behalf of the Commission, on behalf of the department, would like to warmly welcome each and every one of you to today's one-day awareness program on child rights and child protection, organized by NSCPCR in collaboration with the District Child Protection Unit, Chubukidima. As we commence with our program, I would like to request our Deputy Commissioner to do the honor in presenting a token of our appreciation on behalf of the district administration to our guest speakers. So as I call out your name, I would like to request our guests to kindly stand on their feet.
Children are the backbone of the nations. We're gonna towards this end, amount of responsibility will not happen. And children are one of the most important assets that has been given to us by God, the Creator. Our reference की देखिए, Bible में भी देखिए, Jesus Christ has recognized the right of the children. Itu karena kalau disciples kalau kami tahan ke akhir ini Lord. That one we find in the Gospel of Matthew, Mark, and Luke. Tinggal punya children rights importance to abinan tadi itu kaitannya apa saja. So kalau makanan so in this regard, abinan aji baca halaman. Tinggal fight dulu lagi. acts that is protecting them. Share from our members, two of the members, and our legal consultant will deal on, in short, will deal on POXO Act, JJ Act, and right to education. I will hand out to you all, so then you can go home and read them. But since the weather is quite humid, I think all of you know Maria really we have to kindly bear with us. And so far I will not Maria really to us. I mean also the number of Tala really in the situation that climatic condition that I will guitar. I'm gonna be short ahead. The rights of children, the countries, the nations which have initially taken cognizance of these rights and the importance of these rights, those are the most advanced countries in the world today. For instance, like countries like Scandinavian countries like Iceland, Finland, Sweden, countries in Europe, countries like they could recognize the importance of the children as the backbone of the nation. Children have rights to protect our again. They are the most advanced country in the world. It's not late with us. Naga society took mark advance because it is very important for all of us. And as we know that these days, due to advancement in technology, mobile devices, and they have access to internet everywhere. Parents leaders responsibility key device otherwise everything is there these days. And you know one thing which I really got shocked was child pornography. It is a booming industry, it seems. In that stage, into condition that we are living in. So we have to be very, very cautious, careful. And even the children today, itu device kan punya mobile kan misuse na today. Itu masih. So since we are going to take a little bit of time, I think I'll cut short my speech here. Thank you so much.
Sir, in our coordination meetings at the district level with the CWC, the Child Welfare Committee, Esther, Child Welfare Committee, if members are there, kindly stand up once just for the information of our. Yeah. These are the Child Welfare Committee members headed by Esther, and we work closely with the DCPO, District Child Protection Officer Nikito, and team. So in our coordination meetings, we were discussing that we need a sensitization program for all the stakeholders, because it's not enough that our concerned departments or agencies are aware about all these aspects. So we're very grateful that the initiative has come from our commission, and we are here today. Even our chairman, DPDB, Sirsal Leorio, and our Honorable Advisor, Municipal Affairs and Urban Development, he had hinted during one of the DPDB meetings that we should have a sensitization program and we should invite the commission to come and address us like this. So this was also the wish of our honorable chairman of EPTB. So our secretary, Madam Secretary, and our chairman, they have already highlighted about what this program is all about. And there is the legal framework which is there, the Juvenile Justice Act, JJ Act 2015. We have the Right to Education Act 2009. We have invited the DEO, District Education Officer, and also some of the colleges and schools today. And also we have that POCSO. I think you're aware of what POCSO. It's about protection of children from sexual offences. POCSO Act 2012. And we also have Child Labour Prohibition and Regulation Act 2016 and other laws. So all these laws are there, but we are not aware about the specific content or the intent of all these acts. And that's why this sensitization program is crucial if we want to take care of our children, if we want to protect them. So all stakeholders, the judiciary, administration, the police, line departments, various institutions, our CSOs, NGOs, churches, women, student, youth bodies, elected members of towns, village council functionaries, parents, schools, etc. All of us, in short, all of us, the society in general, we have to be conscious about the exploitation and the abuse of children taking place in our society, and we have to do together, we have to work towards alleviating that problem. Government has not only set up the institutional mechanism, but has also set up these commissions at this national level, like our chairman has mentioned, and also in all the states. And the Commission for Protection of Child Rights, they monitor all these aspects, whether the CWC or the DCPU or District Administration Police, whether they are carrying out their duties properly or not. They keep asking for status reports, they give us guidance. So they have come up with some basic instructions. So I'll just, for the benefit of everyone, I'll just read out 1 or 2 points. Number 1, any form of child abuse by anybody, irrespective of parents, guardians, should be brought to the notice of authority concerned to be tried as per law. It is the duty, number 2, it is the duty, paramount duty for every citizen to ensure child safety and protection as children are the backbone of the nation, as our chairman has already highlighted. It is, number 3, it is observed that some cases often conclude with negotiation or compromise between 2 parties involved, which is to be discouraged. Under the POCSO Act 2012, offences are non-bailable and cannot be settled through compromise. They have to be dealt with as per law. So, it is advised that the law should not be taken into one's hands, as it defeats the very purpose of the law adopted for delivering justice to victims against the perpetrators. So there is a process, there are authorities, there are systems in place to handle such cases. That is why we should not take the law into our own hands. The media, social media are advised to uphold ethical standards and refrain from revealing the identities of the children involved in any child abuse case, because these are punishable offences. So, like I was saying, any case of child abuse, it is the moral duty of all of us to report it to the authorities. We have the option of contacting the authorities through the Child Helpline 1098, or we have the Special Juvenile Police Unit under the police, and we have the DCPU, District Child Protection Unit. We have the Child Welfare Committee, and also you can go directly to the police stations to lodge FIR. So the Commission is making the effort to ensure that all these agencies which are at the various district levels are doing their job in protecting the children and providing them justice so that no act of child abuse or exploitation goes unpunished or unnoticed under the eye of the Commission. So, finally, in conclusion, it is emphasized that strict vigilance is not optional, but it is the duty we owe to every child. So with that, I conclude my short speech. Thank you all.
Mon amam bishibano national nai Juvenile Justice Act kuina thagi ase to amam bunina bi thagiyo pare aru kunba to labunina bi thagiyo pare. So kunba janya manu khando nohile bi idu line field te kam kura manu khando pachalo kam kura manu khando jani thagiyo. So it will be like more like a revision for all of us and a reminder. Only nutun manu khando actually huni ase bolero let's try to learn something na. Achi kiba ekta points ekta holi loina chawale koshish korole koina mani encourage kurase. So idu Juvenile Justice Act wado pacha khan karne rakhi dina ase. So idu pacha mohala tamor manu khan bi mohala rights bishe ase na mohala protection mohala rights bi bishe rakhi ase mohala Indian law ra holi mohan pacha khan ke do pacha ase tahan karne do ikon hoi ilaga bhavana kurina bishibak as a layman na common man ka mon ignore kuri pacha khan ke hoi jabo damor manu manu kule do hoi jabo ilaga bhavana kuri pacha khan karne bi rights ase de koina idu Juvenile Justice Act te bra khan ke ko ase child friendly atmosphere and approach to ki ko ase bolo mohan bishe manu bhavana kure pacha khan ase mohan ekbar kali dile do কথা মানিব না আৰু মহান ব্ৰেকপাৰ ইটো নকৰিবি বাবা কৈছে আমাৰ কৈছে না আঙ্কল আন্টিস খানৰা কৈছে নকৰিবি কইলে নকৰিবি ইনা মহান থ্ৰেট কৰে নহলে কিবা থাকে ইমোশনালি ব্ল্যাকমেল কৰা মানুহ বিশে আছে তো ইটো টাইমতে ইনা ইটো টাইমতে মহান ইনা কৰা আছে কইলে ইনা লং ৰান পাচা খান লাগা মেন্টাল স্ট্যাটাস ডিস্ট্রেস তাহানকে মুন দিমাগ ঠিক না हो जाओ नोली बहुत शेयर ग्रेस है तहां के मारपीट ग्रेस है बोले तो तहां लामु देवी खुशी ना पा एक ना थकी जाओ और इन फ्यूचर तहां तामर माबुचिले तहां बिहेवियरल डिसऑर्डर भी बहुत दिखी पाया से तो इदु निशना मोहन पचा खान लोगो तो होता है तहां ला अप्रोच तो पचा ला हिसाब रा तहां ला साल ला हिसाब रा हम कथा को लगे तो मोहन पिछे मानु भावना पुरे 14, 15, 16, 17 years ase बोले तो मोहन तामर मानु भाभी ना पुला मोहन ला फोर फादर्स खान रा आइसे बोले तो ओ अन्ना ले दिया तो तामर मानु विषे तामर मानु लगा ओसोरे काम करी काम physical work बोले भी mental emotional work any kind of responsibilities होली बच्चा खान के ना दिया है दिखी पाया से तो होली भी मोहन साबरा तहला फिजिकली तो तहला स्ट्रांग हो पारे होली भी तामर हो पारे ना होली भी तहला मेंटल कैपेसिटी तो इत्या भी मैच्योर हुआ नहीं तो इधरा तहला हिसाब रा अप्रोच और एटमॉस्फेयर दो प्रोवाइड करो लगे तो ना इतु इंपॉर्टेंट पॉइंट एक तभी पॉइंट है कीपिंग द चाइल्ड बेस्ट इंटरेस्ट इन माइंड ना बच्चा का लगा खुशी पा ला भी पूरी दियो लगे ना बच्चा खान के खुशी ना पाए तो बहुत फोर्स करे थ्रेट दे थे तहां नोकरो नोहो आज तो कोई काम करो ले मन नहीं होले बच्चा रा मुई आज तो खुशी पा नहीं बोले देयर इज ऑलवेज ए वे ना टेक्निक थागे बच्चा खान के कथा कोले तो इदु खान बहुत फोर्स थ्रेट रा नोकरी ना तहां ला बेस्ट इंटरेस्ट तो तहां ला मन ला हिसाब रा आज करो ले मन नहीं बोले तो मन ऑलवेज एक्सटेंड ना मन ला डीलिंग हिसाब रा तहां के प्रोडक्ट को लगे बोले ना बॉसे So, ekta the rehabilitation of the child na bacha khan rehabilitation bi thaki ase to idu olop pichile ahibo moi to idu kan nishna overall saishe bole to mohan bacha khan ke tahala best interest aro tahala atmosphere hisab ra mohan deal ko lage koina je active wa ase to idia mohan idia bacha ko ase who is a child na तो অলপ আগে দেখো নিশনা মোহন 14, 15, 16 years খান আছে বলে তামর মানে বুঝিবে না ফিজিক্যাল হলিবি ফিজিক্যাল ওয়ার্ক হলিবি ইমোশনাল রেসপন্সিবিলিটিস হলিবি মোহন বাচ্চা খান কে বেশি দে তো হলিবি তাহারা মেন্টাল ম্যাচুরিটি তো বেশি বাকলা বুঝি না থাকে তো এতে মোহন লাগে যে অ্যাক্ট দেওয়া কি কো আছে বলে তো বিলো দ্য এজ অফ 18 years are called a child না 18 years पर नीचे का तो सब बच्चा ही हो कि मान भी फिजिकली स्ट्रांग होलिबि ताहारो child hi mati wo koina idu JJ act ra mali ko ase chumu district noliwi suppose any kind of district e pachapun ma nijol local talent to longina dusra tribe thrishi tai nakamisri kole na pare noliwi English kole na pare to we can always assist them with a local interpreter also na kuma tai laga own tribe la manu ma kole na idu kotha na interpret kole bi parbo inala facilities can be as parents to be involved in juvenile process, especially with the juvenile conflict with low-law cases can be as of course, in need of care and protection can be like parents or guardian can be takana cases handle kura till the end. Parents no guardian can takana also really thakibo.
RTE, right to education. RTE kuadam bemuhan so rights of children to free and compulsory education. Government or local authority la duties kiya subule do neighborhood school de neighborhood de nijor laga thaga jaga de school asan nai tukan sai dibo aro infrastructure han thik thak asan nai aro school do idu one inclusive education laga koi ase itu kan nishna thik thak follow kori asan nai pachakan admission loi asan nai dropout scheme hoy ase pachakan neighborhood de ami hala neighborhood de ami hala busti de ami hala town de sob pachakan school de asan nai because RT talks about free and compulsory education. It means no child should be left out. Kun pachabi khorde bugina thego lai irrespective of who they are, what they are, aro tahala any disability. Ita disability thagile bi itu pachahan karne bi eman provisions dina ase. For example, resource persons can under samagra shiksha tahan not just tahan school de special pachahan ki identify korna teach kora ekla hoina home base even ghor de bi identify korna tahan jaigena tahan la kam kore itu karne itu nishnala facilities can be available lage aro it is a responsibility of the local authority and the government to ensure that all the children are there in the school itu kaase aro number 1 aro ishi important role kun laga role ase it's a role of the parents to ami an ishi wala do except for the students most ami an do parents thagibo nijor bacha thaga ami ala bacha han do government schools de na pura han bishi thagibo pare private schools de bishi purigena thagibo holibi as a stakeholder as a leader ami han sobi mohalla locality de mohalla neighborhood de pachakan do school de chaula pari ase nai aro it is our responsibility ami hala under de ami han korde ami hala relatives la pachakan bi thakibo pare and we have to ensure that all the children are getting admitted to school they get the opportunity to avail free and compulsory education.
Who is offender under the POCSO Act? In our POCSO Act, we can only think about like some very deadly looking person na but here again like under the report of the National Crime Bureau report under the 90% to 80% to 90% of the offenders are people that the child already know. Someone like who is a neighbor, it can be from someone from the family, someone a teacher, it can be a doctor, someone like who is close to the child and who the child already know. Most of the time it talk to not only in Nagaland but in the other parts of India also. Janya manuhi hoide offender POCSO rape kali deadly people like deadly looking people badule parese. When it comes to reporting it's mandatory. It's not a matter of choice. Any happening in the school or if you have the knowledge or you have the little suspicion that crime the that suspicion reasonable suspicion you have to report the matter if again if report Koranai Bishop Ledo 6 months imprisonment if you have the knowledge of the offense. आपने ला फ्रेंड एकता लोदे बिया काम होइसे नोलबी आपने ला बच्चा एकता लगा एकता कोर्स और के बच्चा एकता ला जानिने से and you are not reporting should be you are committing an offense under the POCSO Act so police kan mishna teachers kan mishna doctors kan mishna itu kan kane do aru more stringent hoje with fine or 6 months nyanga gone do itu laga penalties to aru more hoje aru what we have been saying in the past reporting we should do bishop to school ekta the offense ekta hoje na within the school they try to settle it PCBA suspend kore that is not the solution there like the school have to report it to the appropriate authority because it's not a matter of choice ita tahan na bitor de school will be the colony will be you cannot deal with the POCSO cases idu han dole do proper authority hange handover kro lage so that is the police idu police khan mole FIR report kro mole lage
Guest panelists and respected moderator, sir, thank you for giving me this time. Movement time to Mala report to 1st October 2024 to 31st August 2025. Report us. Acha DCPU. What is DCPU? DCPU the Mondo District Child Protection Unit. Or we come under Mission Masalaya. Mission Masalaya is a centrally sponsored scheme by the Ministry of Child and Women Development. It's a nodal agency for implementing child protection services at the district level. So these are the number of cases we have intervened. 76 cases we have intervened. Totally out of those 76, physically abused 7 cases, sexually abused 9, family issue 11, child marriage 2, counseling 6, environmental, emotional and mental health 2, runaway case 14, found case 2, and others 6. So we have 2 types of institutional care. One is children in need of care and protection (CNCP), and we have child in conflict with youth (CCL). So under CNCP, we have the Child Welfare Committee, and under CCL, we have the Juvenile Justice Board. So under CNCP cases, we have 113 cases, and which includes repatriation, POCSO cases, etc. And in CCL, child in conflict with law cases, we have total number of cases 13. We have 9 CCIs under Jumur. Jumur 9 CCIs as a CCI for the child care institute was there. Our CCI there 9 there out of 9, 3 is run by government run, and 6 is run by NGOs. Our CCI there we have total number of children 133. Male we have 73, and female we have 60. Sponsorship is given to those children who are like financially weak, parents can, single parent, orphan can, first priority. So under Jumu we have 40. So 40 children can get one sponsor. So in a year they receive 48,000. Do the installment half yearly, so 24 Tala account to Machala account there, direct beneficiary transfer. Or after that, we have aftercare program here. There is aftercare 18 years and above fund guardians. Children who are above 18 years of age, they can apply for this aftercare program. So aftercare program, they are given vocational training courses. So under Jumu, we have 4. Thank you.
Everyone, my name is also Esther. I'm the Chief
Chief Operating Officer of Nagaland News Network. This is for the NSC PCR specifically, and with all due respect, also last week Dimapur had the same program, awareness program, but questions were left unanswered. But our dear chair, Chairman Sir also did give me a little bit info after the program, and yes, regarding a case which is more than a year now, and a pastor has been on the run, basically not been caught, and a lot of victims, minors, are from Chamukadima as well. And I wanted to ask if the commission has put up, apart from the police job that they will be doing, has the commission put up any complaint or approached the center in regard to this? And what help are you taking? What initiation are you taking in regard to this as well? In this particular case, it's been more than a year now. So what has been done? Just a little update on that particular case.
Yes, there is a very pertinent question. The commission also has written to the CP Dimapur, and the reply which we got was that since this has become an international issue, I think the absconder is somewhere in the foreign countries, foreign soil. So I think a red corner letter or something like that, that is international, that has been issued, and they are yet to receive the reply against that. So that's it. No, that was the last letter they have replied us. In this regard, no. Because the police are taking up the case, you know. The police have taken up the case. Once it is with the police, we don't want to interfere and, you know, what you call, interfere in the case which they have already taken up. So we are just waiting for that, and definitely we are also still pursuing. We'll wait for some time and see what will be the outcome of that. Thank you.
Good afternoon to you all. My name is Sundar Meyer. I am the Director of Global Window, and I want to raise a question or a kind of a general awareness where the Commission can answer. Global Window Rajwa Kali, Parent District, Sainik School, Ponglo. Tade student senior ekta class 12 student bra class 10 hange sexual abuse kura laga ekta report paise puti mohan jaigina report laga opore school authority kan pota korise. Yes, the school authority was reluctant to cooperate with the media, but we forced to ask some question where they answered that the Hanbra is senior student ge already suspend korise. Will be as per the law, school authority Nagaland ikla takan hoy school bishe ase indika nishina sexual abuse kurante school authority kan ki koribo lage matlab police ki inform koribo lage noy to school authority kan rather than suspension or restitution ki karone school authority ba police kan ki nokoi to laga opore commission korabe general Nagaland thaka school authorities kan ki koi aru itu noigina sir. We also got a report that Sainik school there senior students can bra, junior students can get ranking fully shiburi. Yes, senior student bra, junior can get control bra laga amikan jane. Junior student bra, seniors can get at all times respectfully amikan. Sab manu hikai na eche. Only not to the extent of washing their inner garments and massaging them after dinner. So, indika nishina hoa bra sir. Bishi parents can Sainik school de pachakan nakakan. Takando pachakan to traumatized huigina. Traumatized within the parents came to school no puri buna ulai dia bishi ase aro inika nishina report bishi unreported jai jai. Itu Global Window has taken up this issue with help of Nagaland News Network media. Itu commission brabe school authorities can get inika sexual abuse can pura. What should be the first duty of the authority? Paira suspend ikla program no bodo police can get kinia puru lagi itu laga awareness janai dibo, and what will be the commission step in regard with the Sainik school, your next move into the new movement? Thank you.
Thank you for the question, Kikon. if you were there, like during my presentation, you would have known like that where I have mentioned about like the school authorities, like the preventive measures that the school have to do it. Iduhan report ko like it cannot be amicably settled within themselves. I have that's what I've already like apprised the crowd today, and then complaint box. Kita like so many children are not like able to like say what is in their mind. Or they feel threatened, or so like itu kan complaint box box and of course if child helpline you can always go to the NCPCR website ncpcr.com government.in you can e-box red button you can always place your written report our school authorities can school awareness programs as a commission. We are in touch with the education department consultation program where school kanti kur lagi tahan kindergarten purese mahala district level labi every time like awareness programs on school just recently also like I've been in touch like right after I got the news through the media last night. So I've been in touch with the DCPO, the commission has been in touch with the like DCPO and also like with the CWC. Till such time like the principal was not in station. They are in on the job today. Tahan Aji Jawo, like even the DCPO and the Child Welfare Committee. They are already in touch with the, over the phone. They will be personally going today. So after the program, we'll get more updates from them. It will say. So awareness, we should do the awareness to child. Just recently also DCPO and team can be saying school with regard to the same kind issues. Awareness program action. At that time, I know where we will. We are going to all the districts, sensitizing the districts. We will be taking some such deterrent punishment. Steps to lower definitely. We are doing our part in going to all the districts at least. So that's the least that we can do at the moment. Thank you.
So viewers, Nagaland State Commission for Protection of Child Rights Prajundo one day awareness Chumugudima DC conference room de thekise pishi bhalba luise aro students kan school alak praise tribal hosts kan aise aro NGO leaders kan pishi aigina program de attend gurise aro topic to child rights and child protection oporde various resource person bra legal awareness kan aro pacha kan laga regard technical protection kurbo child rights laga ki ase idu sob laga oporde discuss kurise global window bra ekta sawal uthaise jindo sainik school punglo ade idu senior class 12 student kan bra junior class 10 ge sexual harassment laga oporde amikan news report punaise idu laga oporde commission ki hutaudi kurise takan bra koise कि इतु लगा ऊपर तकान मीटिंग पोइबो आरो की स्टेप्स लोबले आसे इदु कमिशन ब्रबी साबो होले बि स्कूल अथॉरिटीज कान नागालैंड दि जिमान द स्कूल आसे एनिका सेक्सुअल मिसकंडक्ट स्टूडेंट कान ब्रा नोले एनी अथॉरिटीज पर स्कूल भितरदे कुरिसे कोले इतु लगा ऊपर देबे किनिका पुलिस की फर्स्ट इनफॉरमेशन दिबो इतु लगा ऊपर देबे अवेयरनेस दिसे आरो इतु एकला नहे किना ताकान पाचा कान की बि किनिका काउंसलिंग दिबो इतु सब लगा ऊपर दे ताकान ब्रा खोता कइसे So I can hope kuribo ki Nagaland State Commission for Protection of Child Rights prabi Sainik School laga opore katam ekta uthabo aro jundo Robert Kikon ex pastor Chumugudima de kam kuri thakise aro tai laga sexual misconduct minors sachun achun ki kurise itu pasote 4 sal September de farar ho ja ityadak absconding ase itu laga opore bi media ekta bra sawal uthaise aro chairman commission ba jawab dia do itu laga matters opor do police laga hat te ase itu ba police ki rakhi dia ase holibi DCPO Chumugudima ba khoshe itu laga opor de already red alert di dishe aru red alert de gina itu do aru do international issue ekta hoise itu ba police kan ba itu laga opor de ki kuribole ase sob needful do kuri ase guna chani boli dishe so child rights child protection laga iniga awareness program thakabe bishi bhal ase aru iniga public kan ge awareness dia be bishi bhal aru grassroots level dakte takhan jaigina khor de do awareness kan dia be bishi bhal program ase holibi Nagaland de thaka kanun laga rakhwala noile commission kan brabe iniga hatsa hoigina jun report Kikon nishina absconding ase noile jundu sainik school kan de unreported iniga case minors kan logot hoigina report kurbo na para laga ase itu commission bra voiceless aro awas tapai gina thaka opor de child rights child protection laga ki hak ase itu laga opor de do kanun de thaka nichina action lobole pressure dibo lage aro ami gan hope kuribo ki Nagaland State Commission for Child Protection Rights private pacha kan laga opor de ki kanun de ase POCSO act ki ase aro pacha kan ki iniga sexual abuse issue gule ki laga financial aid dibo lage itu sob to dibo karni takan karni bi hak mangi dile bishi bhal hobo ami gan akha koribo ki jundu aji awareness program child rights on child protection thakise itu bra chanda kan bishi benefit hobo itia karni mani for more updates abon side global window mo ss Sangamayer with camera person Man Kaba Jamir reporting from DC office Chumugudima.
Apex Motor Enterprise Mahindra, Dimapur, Nagaland presents one of the biggest festive offers of the season. Enjoy benefits worth up to Rs 2.56 lakhs on Polaro and Rs 2.46 lakhs on the all-new XUV 3XO. This isn't just a discount, it's Mahindra's way of celebrating the festive season with you and your family. Don't miss out, contact Apex Motor Enterprise Mahindra Nagaland today.